Hi, welcome to the National Law University Delhi eLibrary tutorial. In this tutorial, we will cover all the features and benefits of the platform so you can take maximum benefit of the eLibrary. The library sits at nludelhi.refread.com. To access the library collections and all its features, you must first log in into the platform. All authorized users of the university can access the eLibrary using their official nludelhi.ac.in account. For the demonstration, I'm going to log in using my registered account. As soon as I log into the platform, I have full access to all its collections and services. You can track all your past readings on the homepage here. Keep up with all the latest content which has been acquired in the library or ebooks, e-journals and video lectures recommended by the library staff. You can browse the library by categories. Click on any of these categories like ebooks to list the resources for that particular format from all the publishers. Similarly, you can browse other categories like subscribed databases, newspapers, journals, etc. You can also browse content by publisher. These are all the subscribed publishers' platforms that are licensed by the NLU Delhi Library. So if I click on this link for Taylor and Francis ebooks here, the platform link along with the subscribed list of ebooks will appear. Just click on the read button of any record to navigate to the publisher platform. The publisher platform will recognize you as an authenticated user of NLUD and you will have full text access to all the chapters. You can read the full text in HTML format or download the PDF in EPUB Reader. Basically, the experience that you had only within the campus is now available to you across the globe. Similarly, you can access all these publishers 24/7 from anywhere, anytime. In addition to the subscribed databases, we have also curated the open access eResources from many green and gold standard repositories. You can access these ebooks, e-journals, theses and video lectures for your learning and research needs. The platform also features news clippings curated by the library staff and news headlines from more than 50 online news portals along with headlines from 30+ topics. You can also read literary works in Hindi, English, Urdu, Punjabi, and many other languages from here. And this section help you to browse the important links related to law. Now let's see how you can search for e-resources on the platform. We are going to start with a simple keyword search like cybercrime. The platform first shows me all the publications matching my search query. I can drill down the search results using these filters for year, accessibility, media, authors or publishers. If I switch over to the article tab, the platform will broadcast my search query to all subscribed journals and databases and fetch the latest and most relevant research articles. Click on this Add Results button to load the entire result set. This meta search helps all scholars and faculty members save a lot of time and effort. You can filter articles by source and simply click on the Read button to access the full text of the paper on the publisher platform. The eLibrary platform also supports Boolean operators and phrase searches. For example, if we search for artificial intelligence as two keywords, the platform shows more publications matching either one of the two keywords. However, if we repeat the same search with double quotes on either side of our search query, the platform will look for the keywords as a phrase and show more relevant results. You can also limit your search query to a particular media type in the basic search bar like this, or use the advanced search form for more complex queries. On every search result, you will see this Add to Reading List button. You can click it to add this result to your favorites or any folder for future reference. You can create as many folders as you want and tag as many resources as you need to those folders. You will find all your saved documents and folders here in the reading lists. You can select saved documents and email the links to your peers. However, please note that the recipient must be an authorized user of NLU Delhi to be able to access the full text of the resources via shared links. You can also export the references of all saved documents in more than 1000 citation styles. Just search for the citation style and click on the Generate Citation button to build references of multiple documents in one go. All the collections, services and features demonstrated in this video can be accessed not just through the eLibrary web portal, but also through the NLU Delhi eLibrary mobile apps available on both iOS App Store and the Android Play Store. You can download these apps to your phone and access all NLU Delhi library collections on the go. We request you explore the eLibrary platform and help us spread the word on the NLU campus. Please do share your feedback and suggestions on the email addresses provided in the footer. Happy reading!